Hi guys, VST here, Please Tech. Whoever watches my channels knows that here we are really big on wallpapers. And today I want to show you a great app with customly designed wallpapers. But before that, let me show you how you can subscribe to my channel. Open your YouTube, navigate to Please Tech, click here, then click subscribe. And don't forget to click also on the notification bell. Every time I do upload a new video, you're gonna get the latest update. But guys, speaking about custom designed wallpapers, today I want to show you an application called WallRod. And actually you can find this application on the Google Play Store, right? But it's not for free. It's gonna set you around $1.50, which is like 3 lefts, but I think it's really worth it. So this application has been created by Mathy Eckerdt, and it's really custom wallpapers that he updates every week. So every week he's posting new wallpapers. You can find a huge variety of wallpapers, very carefully curated and selected, and also organized into collections. So you can just look, see the wallpapers, apply them, and also see the resolution information and the color palette. Let me show you how this works. When you open the WallRod application, you're gonna see these beautiful wallpapers, again created by Mathy Eckerdt, Strange Places, Alone Boat 2, Alone Boat 3. Very nicely created and crafted manually, handmade crafted wallpapers, but also organized in the collections. So you have landscapes, you have minimal, you have sword, you have pixel, abstract, you have deer, you have gray, you have space, amulet, and one of my favorites, you have hero. So let's say you want to apply something from hero, you can just scroll down. Let's say you like Spider-Man, you can click on info, and you can see even the color palettes, the colors that are used to create this unique wallpaper. And let's say if you like the wallpaper, you can just press here apply, and you can apply it on your screen. But let me show you, Skater Grain, and they're really more. And again, every week he is updating the wallpapers, creating new ones, and some of these wallpapers are really amazing. The level of detail and the level of imagination that has been put here inside is really incredible. I like minimalistic, clean wallpapers, and I can tell you, this one, created by Mathy Eckerdt, are probably one of the best around. Right, so let's say that you like the sunset deer, you can select apply, you can select both, you can press OK, and then boom, it is here. Right, when I put the phone, you can see very carefully applied wallpaper. Okay, some of these again are going in a more abstract mode. Some of these are really focusing on landscapes, sunshines, moonshines, whatever, you name it, animals, Japan koi. Plenty of choices, amazing mountain view like this, and kind of giving you a more relaxed experience, when you're browsing your phone. This one, by the way, one of my favorites, so let me apply it. Let me just show you how this looks on the phone, guys. Really incredible. And you can organize your icons, the way I do it. So I used to keep my icons down below. I used to keep here a widget with a clock, and voila, as simple as that. I would say really amazing. So if you happen to like these wallpapers, guys, spend $1.50. Congratulations to Matthias, a very nice job indeed, and hope that you're gonna like my channel. You know what to do, like, subscribe, VST, over and bye.